Hey guys, I'm gonna shoot my homemade gun. It's a aluminum can with these homemade darts. Just a blood force trauma kind of thing. A little duct tape on there. Pretty easy. I'm gonna put 160 psi into it. This is a little leftover from another shot. There's 60. Alright. It's in the barrel. Alright. Oh. Alright. I can't find the dart. Probably stuck in the ground area. In that. It did have recoil. Let's see. I don't see the dart. Wow. In this, it just stuck. Right, poked out there. It went through fully there, but this is a lot harder than this. You can see I can't bend that, but I can bend that. Simple. I can crush that, but it's more difficult. Alright, that's it for this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.